So had mom had her breakfast?
No. Since yesterday night, her appetite has been going down. But the doctor said they look for a way to feed her.
Poor mom, I just hope that God takes her through this.
I'm to blame for this condition. It makes me feel so awful.
What do you mean by you're the one to blame?
I mean, all those nights I came home drunk. I got expelled from schools. I was rude to her. I mean, ever since Dad left, I've been such a nuisance.
You don't have to blame. You know, we all make mistakes. Don't say that, bro. Right now, it's not about Dad. It's us. And Mama is not feeling well.
I caused her high blood pressure, and now her cancer is getting even worse.
Mom is not strong right now. We have to be strong for her. We are the only family that she has.
Selena, do you think Mom is gonna get well?
Of course she will. The doctors say that they're doing their best. All we have to do is to raise a certain amount of money.
How much money do they need for the surgery?
The doctor said you have to raise at least 50,000 before they can get started.
Are we supposed to raise that cash?
I have no idea, bro. I really don't have any idea. I've tried talking to our relatives and friends, but
What about your boss?
I can't. I already asked for a salary advance. That's what we used to buy the medicine.
I'm scared, sis. I'm scared.
Don't be. God is there for us. God is going to fight for us. He's always been there for us, right? Don't worry. I know you are, but we're going to be strong together. Mom needs us. Anyway, let me finish up this. You help me type these papers so that we go see Mom. Page 11 and 12. Then you can go see Mom. Now that's my little brother.
Selena?
Yes, how can I help you?
Yeah, I came to see how you're doing.
Fine, thanks for asking. Now, how can I help you?
Well, I came to say hello, then I'll be on my way.
Can I print this somewhere else?
It's okay, bro. Is that so? Now, which part of hello haven't you said?
Come on, Selena, I can't just even ask for a minute from you. I just asking for a single tiny minute.
What for? Don't you realize that this is an office? You don't even have the courtesy to come by after office hours.
Then I'll see you after working hours. 5 p.m. sharp?
No!
What? I thought you
I
said...
said nothing. Chris, I know you're a nice guy, and I know you mean well, but I'm not the right kind of girl for you. Forget about me, Chris.
Is that all you're going to say?
And I know you mean well, but I'm not the right kind of girl for you. Forget about me, Chris.
Why would I do that when I know that you're the only object of my affection?
Haven't you been listening to what I just said? I am not interested, Chris.
Then explain to me what you mean by you're not the kind of girl for me, because pushing me around crudely won't make it, it's not fair. And if anything, it's making the impression that you're trying to play hard to get like ladies do. And if that's the case, I'm not going to stop now.
Chris.
Not even in the next 10 years. Okay. I have to ask you this question. It will answer all my questions. Are you by chance or choice twisted?
Twisted? What do you mean?
Are you lesbian?
It's okay, Selena. You have no control of yourself. Do I look like...
Then why is it that...
Just get out, Chris!
Hey, even the devil may care. What's happening here?
Christopher, I said you leave. And don't you ever show your face here again. Or else, I will call the security.
You don't have to do that. I'll just leave. I'm sorry for mashing up your day.
Look here, Baraka. My day is already messed up. So I request you just leave.
Relax, I'm not here to mess up your day or mash it up. I got good news. Guess what I bought for you? Not that. I got you.
What?
Yeah, baby. Check play from a friend. Just for you.
Are you nuts? I am not sick.
Yes, you are. And anyone who is HIV positive uses this. Last time I checked, you still are HIV positive, right?
I left my keys.
Then take them and leave.
Look at the mess you have caused.
What mess?
What's he going to think?
What? That Jama.
Just get out.
These are for you.
I am not taking air out.
Yes, you will. And I will personally make sure that you take the full dose. Because somebody here cares about you there.
Baraka, you know what?
If you don't, I will...
Just leave. Fine, Baraka. So, do me a favor and just leave.
There you go. Oh, read the instructions carefully, eh? Don't want you dying.
You know what? This is not funny. Baraka.
I will leave. But unlike him, I'll be back.
She's fine now. She's been in coma since morning, but we fed her using IV tubes, and at the moment she's fine. We're doing our best to make her fine. She's been in a coma since morning. We fed her using IV tubes, and at the moment she's improved, though we are trying our best not to lose her.
Doctor, I know that you will do your best. Please do it for me and my brother. She's the only family we have. We can't afford losing her now. Just do your best. We will do anything. She's our mother. Losing her is like losing our world. So please, doctor, what are you planning to do?
Okay, we are trying our best, and remember, we have to have the surgery within the next 48 hours. So, and we need 50,000 shillings to start on the surgery, or else, I'm sorry, we'll lose her.
Doctor, don't say we will lose her. She's the only thing we have. It's your job to make sure that she's okay.
Try harder. We can't afford to lose the patient. She's your mother.
I will look for the money for the surgery.
Remember, in the next 28 hours, we have to do the surgery.
How am I going to get that kind of money in the next 48 hours, doctor? What do you want me to do, doctor?
Okay, is there nobody else who can give you for just this moment? We need 50,000 shillings. The doctor said we need 50,000 shillings to start on the surgery.
I have tried my best, doctor. I have borrowed everyone. What else am I supposed to do?
Help you out with 40,000 shillings.
Sure.
All you have to do is hurry and find 10,000 shillings
40.
before 48 hours. Then you come back here and we start the surgery immediately. We can't afford to lose her.
You sure you'll help me the 40,000?
I'm sure. I also lost my mother, but when she was giving birth to my youngest brother, okay, she wasn't supposed to die. Okay, we didn't have the money. That is why she died, or else she'd be still living. I'm sorry, I'll have to help you. I can't afford to lose your mother too.
I'm so grateful, doctor. I'm happy. Thank you. I promise I will get it all back.
It's okay.
Thank you,
Now
doctor.
rush and get the 10,000 shillings.
God will bless you, doctor.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Someone to talk to.
Alright, now talk to me. Okay, let's do this. Let's go grab a cup of coffee or something. Then we can talk, right?
No, it's twist.
Please,
It's her again. She's making me confused. I don't understand.
Chris, are we talking about Selena the bitch I know?
She's not a bitch.
Okay, what did she do this time?
She's HIV positive.
I knew it! I mean, Chris, I've been telling you Selena is the one that right girl for years. Do you ever listen? Thank you.
I love her, Eva. I love her.
Chris, what's your point here? Do you want to go marry her, get kids, and maybe even die? Is that your point?
Eva, you don't understand.
What don't I understand? Chris, Selena is hurting you and you're hurting me here. You're so obsessed with her. I've always wanted you to realize that I love you.
What?
I love you, Chris. I love you, Chris. Just listen to me.
Whoa. We're friends.
Who said friends don't fall in love? Chris, I love you, Chris.
It's alright. Excuse me. What? Is she okay? Yeah, I'll be there. Wait, hold on. Shit.
Chris, what is it?
I have to go, Eva. I really have to go.
Chris, is this about Selena?
It's about Selena, I'm sorry,
No,
but...
Chris, don't do this to me.
No. We can talk about... please, I have to go. I'll see you later. We'll talk about this later. Please.
Good. I know I need some money urgently. Regan, please don't bother. Baraka and I have never and will never be. The last time Baraka was here, he bought me a box of ARVs. I know about 10,000 bob. I promise I will pay it all back by this weekend. Please.
hope this will be of help.
Chris!
So, baraka, kabariki, kabarikiwa. Nice, I like. So, I love you. All these things going around is going to make me laugh.
It has taken me so long to say this. I love you too.
So, will you be my girlfriend?
Of course I will. I'll even marry you.
Is it for real?